People are different and we all have individual needs. People think and understand differently. At Oticon, the needs of the individual is the starting point for everything we do. We call it people first. The world today is moving fast. Devices such as TV, telephones and computers have become an integrated part of our modern lives. But as you know better than any, this is not the case for people with a hearing loss. Not even the best digital hearing aids have been able to fulfill these fundamental needs. With ConnectLine, we have created the world's first complete solution that truly allows users to be connected to the world around them. Hearing aids are never again just hearing aids. For us at Oticon, it's all about letting people live their life to its fullest in an easy, smooth and natural way. Please join us in this new world of modern hearing care.